Come pop balloons with me outside of my house because why not, and I'm bored. By the way, you're gonna start inside of a bush. Don't ask why, no questions asked. These entire videos, except the questions I ask you to actually answer. So
BW, I didn't watch this all the way to the end because it's too long and I didn't have much time, so it's gonna be bad.
oh, thank God that didn't pop. So I have 3 balloons, one just went in the grass. Okay, so this is the first one. Okay, so there's another one in the house, but I'm not able to get it right now because I don't know. It's right here. I'm gonna throw 2 of these in the grass and then 1 in the concrete, down the stairs. Ready? This is the first one. Okay, so the first one, okay, you're gonna shoot with this one right here. The first one rolled, oh shoot, no, stop. Wait, wait, can I flip the camera? Okay, whatever. You see this right here? Ready for this? I hope you can see this. Roll down. Pop. Dang it. So, come here. Got it. So this one just rolled down. We got it though. Ow, my hair. Let's explode this baby up. Oh yeah, this is a voice reveal, by the way. Dang it! Ready? Are you ready for this one?
Take the truck. Family safe. When you get the dairy in there, 806 West Washington Boulevard. Are you sure? We can take it out together. Force your family to fucking slide with the board. Get out of here.
Picklin has suffered so much, it went down the street. I don't know if you can see like the dirt in there, so I'm gonna give this one a good throw. So you can suffer less. Okay, so pro tip, you can't hold it here. You gotta hold it like this, cause that's how it works. Cause I keep holding it like this, no matter how hard I throw it, well, it won't pop for me. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, we have this one. He's been waiting for a while, boy. We're gonna throw this baby down there. But before I do it, like and subscribe. Come back at 3, 2, 1. Ah. Come back for part 2. Nah, I'm joking. I wouldn't do you guys like that. Ready? Okay, can you see that? Yeah, you can see that. There. You gotta be kidding me, right? No way. It even hit the car. It hit my car. Look. All right, I'm gonna do it right here. Ready? What the frick? This guy just gone through so much. I'm gonna just play bowling with it. Ready? And I'm gonna do it right there. And I'm gonna make it go down the stairs too, so, cause why not? Hold on, I'm gonna go get my rock. My parents are watching a movie, so don't mind. Well, not my parents. Whatever. Who cares? Can you see right there? My lock not being trusty enough. Okay, so whatever. We're gonna have to. Where should I put you? Because I want to roll it down there. Okay, whatever. Ready? I'm gonna rock. Just in the third rock, you're staying right there. Right there, ready? Look! No, no. No way! Don't tell me it actually went down the sewer. It almost went down the sewer because there's a big hole right there. So it could like drop in and just pop right there. Okay, so I think the grass is somehow better to explode the balloons because the concrete's not really, it's really not doing anything. So, unless this is like, let's go. If this doesn't pop, you guys are gonna be able to name it. Oh, well. If this balloon doesn't pop, I'm gonna keep it as a pet. And you guys are gonna be able to name it. Only my subscribers though. So, because you guys are loyal, not really. I'm gonna put my trusty rock right here. Trusty rock. Here's the balloon. Ready for this? By the way, this is good because I'm picking up the balloon scraps and the water is going inside of the grass. So that's good because I'm watering the grass. Yeah. Alright guys, ready for this? I know it's dark out here, but it's fine. Ready for this, guys? We're gonna throw this one hard. 3, 2, 1.
Leave the other gods to me.
Okay, so this one won't explode. It's like an egg or something, bro. You know what? I'm gonna throw this one so hard that it has to explode. If not, I'm not gonna keep it as a pet. My mom's gonna throw it out one today. So, I'm a liar, guys, so don't trust me that many times. You got on it. Okay. So where should I throw this? I'm thinking this is the last time. And if it goes down there to the car, I'm going to literally make it go down the sewer. And if it doesn't explode, this balloon right here is a warrior and it's gonna just stay in the sewer and die there, I guess. Ready? I don't know if you can see the stair. Ah, dang it. Ah! Dang, you're like bright. Look, it looks like morning. It looks like the sun's rising instead of going down. Because this person is shining the light. This is how it actually looks. Never mind. Look how bright that is. I can't turn the camera. Okay, well, I'm just going to throw this down. And yeah. Throw it. By the way, it's gonna be a long video, so this car is tripping forever to throw it down. No, why are you doing that to me? You know what? I'm just gonna explode it right here now. If this thing doesn't explode, because my neighbors are showing up. Why are all late today? Okay, recording. Justin. I don't care. I mean, my name's not Justin. What am I talking about? Okay, guys, ready? I'll tell y'all that it exploded right now. And if it didn't, I'm just gonna tell y'all it didn't. You know what? This is gonna. Oh. I'm naming this balloon Justin. If Justin doesn't survive, you know what's happening to Justin? Down the sewer. Why is shaped like that, Justin? Shaped like a bean. I need a hire editor. Nah, I can hire myself. Guys, this will. I'm gonna have to cut so much of this out. Helicopter. I hope this doesn't explode right in my hand. Imagine it exploded right in my hand right as I squish it. Actually, I'm gonna stop doing that because I don't want to get dirty because then I'm gonna get in trouble. Oh, Domino's, take me with you. I'm sorry, my big back can't stop. Okay, guys, are you ready for that? Never mind. I'm gonna cut this part out. Hold on. Just in case I'm gonna record this. In case it explodes or something.
There's more to this place.
This is proof if I get kidnapped. Bye, my neighbors. Justin, you brave.
Kano what?
I'm gonna throw Justin so hard.
So get rid of the foot massages. Feel the marking. Actually, that's kind of a funny story. What's going on?
I was tracking another champion. Before Kano to find Kano here instead. I actually slit the guy's throat.
You know, next time.
That was so embarrassing. But my neighbors like doorbell. They have a doorbell. It's like kind of like serious. And they said, "Sorry, I cannot open the door right now." And they were just like jamming the door. I don't know if you could hear. It was like keys like clanking, like twisted and turning. Anyways, let's wish good luck Justin to somehow die because Justin's brave, bro. Okay, so to be honest, I'm just gonna do whatever with Justin because why not? Justin has been living a long life, well, longer than the others at least. Drop it down the staircase. Justin! Wait, I'm gonna play bowling. Ready? We'll just whoosh. Justin! No, Justin! You can't up it! Okay, Justin. Okay, you know what? I think we should do it up even though it's gonna go down. I look like an idiot right now. What if I throw it at the car and give it a nice wash day? No, I'm joking. I'm gonna throw it up there, guys. Hopefully this explodes. Shut up, put it down. Alright, ready, guys? No way. Justin survived that. Hold on.
Speed up.
After that, I'm gonna throw him so hard, he's gonna die. I feel so violent. I love being violent. Yippee! Ready? Dang it. Justin, no! Justin!
Justin fell down the stairs to the streets.
Okay. Justin's okay, guys. Just gonna. Oh, there we go. Ready, guys? Alright, Justin. Better be ready for this one. Because I'm gonna be violent. Justin! Guys, I'm starting to think Justin's not a real balloon. I think Justin is just like a weird looking balloon that's immune to everything. Okay, guys, let's be violent! Violent! Getting violent with. I can't tell you my real name. Not yet. Gotta keep it. Justin!
I literally ran down the neighborhood to get Justin.
Come here, Justin. You're mine. Justin's starting to get out of shape, though. Like, this part right here is not like sticking up. He was like just like a long stick. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but he looks even more like a bee now. Okay. Justin! I don't think Justin's a balloon, guys. I'm gonna say it. Justin! What are you... Justin... You're like... so... He's getting like softer, but... I don't know how he hasn't died. You better not die while I'm squishing you, okay, buddy? Because I will literally be so mad at you that you're gonna be dead. Obviously. Alright, guys. Ready for this? I'm gonna throw it in a bush. Just, that's literally sharp thing. Okay, so I'm just gonna be violent with Justin. You guys are gonna see me. So after a while, I'm just gonna throw them down the sewer. Ready? Yeah. Hey, so Justin died. Where are his scraps? Justin? Well, here's his blood, aka water. Oh, Justin was one soaked guy. Full blood. These are our other victims that died so fast. Justin was a warrior. R.I.P. Justin. I'm gonna put a balloon down the sewer after I find Justin's scraps. Justin, man. Justin. Quick, what the frick is you freaking for? Justin. Okay, guys. So we have to make a funeral for Justin. We must respect Justin with his... Oh, there you are. Oh, poor Justin. He got so weak, he only had one hole, and he just... Ooh, not even all the blood is out him. Water. Okay, so this is his funeral, my bad. So here are the victims, the other victims. This is Justin. Ooh, Justin was decapitated by his head. Sad. Okay, whatever. You are Justin. Pretend like you're Justin for a second. Okay, so for Justin, he shall rest in peace. And you too, guys. Bye. You guys are warriors. Don't worry, I cleaned that up. Justin, blood everywhere. I'm gonna bring one more balloon out, and I'm gonna throw it down the sewer. So come on. You know what? You're staying here. Be right back.
Speed up.
Accidentally eats some soap.
To be honest, that's not bad. So I put soap in this guy, and while I was what's his weird? While I was tying him, this guy decided to just open. Okay, I put soap so the sewer can get more clean. I know that's not how it works, but today it's how it's gonna work. Okay, your name is Katrina. Okay, Katrina, this is the sewer you're going down. It's gonna be dark, but I don't really care. You better clean up that place. Bye. Ooh, Christina survived that period, girl. Anyways, bye, Katrina. Wait, hold on, let me see to her face. Bye, Katrina. I hope you die and clean up that dang stinky sewer. Okay, so Katrina's down the sewer now. So I don't have any more ideas for videos, so you guys are gonna have to give me ideas. I'm gonna have to phone a friend. So yeah, you guys are gonna have to put comments and tell me what my next video should be. I could do almost anything. I'm gonna do a short about something, probably right after this video, after I do something. Anyways, like and subscribe, and bye, I guess. I had to edit this now.